The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.